Hello guys, welcome back. In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change contact name in WhatsApp. So the step is also full to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your WhatsApp. So after you open your WhatsApp, as you can see now I want to change a contact name for this contact. As you can see now, let's go and find a contact that I want to change his name. Let's say I want to change contact name for this person. All you have to do now to open the person. After you open the person, now tap on his person name. So after you tap on the person name, tap on this three dot beside the person name. This three dot. Now tap on this edit button. So after I tap on this edit button, as you can see now here is the contact. So just change the name the way you want it. So for me, I want to change the name, like I want to add like BB beside the name. So as you can see now, Musti BB. So in this section now at the bottom, choose the email address that you use to save your phone number on it. So I will choose the email address that this phone number already saved on it. So here is it, and tap on this save button. So now all you have to do now, tap on this save button. So after you tap on the save button, as you can see now the name it doesn't change. So now all you have to do now, go back. So now go back again. All you have to do now, close your WhatsApp and open again. So now open your WhatsApp again. After you open your WhatsApp, now go and search for the number that you changed the name. As you can see now, I'll just go and search for the number. Here is the number. After you open the number, now tap on the person now like this. So as you can see now the number doesn't take effect immediately. So you must just wait till like for just like 24 hours or just some minutes. You can just give it some minutes, then it will take effect on your WhatsApp. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.